गिरा तो नहीं ना? What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we have another massive box to unbox today. Obviously this is a mystery box because you saw that in the thumbnail and I even mentioned this in my previous vlog. So a lot of you guys have been asking me since past couple of months to do a mystery box unboxing, but I wasn't really keen on doing it because I don't really trust someone else to decide for what I should spend my money on, and that is why I was not doing it. Apart from that, also there was no reseller really who was trying to sell mystery boxes in India, so there was absolutely no point in doing that. But now since we have a mystery box here, that also means that these mystery boxes are going to be launched in India via a reseller, and obviously if that is going to happen, then it has to come to me first, otherwise it just doesn't make sense. Now before we get started, let me quickly tell you what a mystery box is. A mystery box is basically a box of hyped goodies that you buy in a certain budget, and how it is beneficial is that you tend to get more things in the box. By more things I mean of higher value than what you actually paid for it. So that is basically what a mystery box is, and obviously there is an element of surprise because you don't really know what's inside the box, so it's kind of a fun experience to unbox that, and yeah, that's about it. So keeping that in mind, let me make it clear. As you can see, this box is still packed, okay? It is only cut from the side because so that it is easier for me to unbox on camera. So this basically means that I have absolutely no idea what's inside the box. So without taking any more of your time, let's quickly jump into the box and see what we have inside. Let me bring my scissors. No, I'm not using a Supreme knife because that Supreme knife was very small and it had lost its sharpness and it doesn't make sense anymore. So I'm back to the scissors. Let's open this up quickly. Hey yaar! Alright. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention another thing. One more thing. Just one last thing. This box is from Cop Underdog Official. Here is their Instagram. So obviously if you've been watching my channel, then you have seen me speaking about Cop Underdog a couple of times. They're a group of resellers based out of Bangalore, and they're doing quite a good job. So basically they are the ones who are bringing the mystery boxes for this Christmas season in India. So there are going to be a limited number of boxes, and they're going to start from 10,000 rupee boxes to upwards of maybe around a lakh. I don't really know exactly what amount boxes are they going to sell, but they're going to be limited in nature and they're only going to be for the Christmas week. So do not forget to check their website out, and on their Instagram just be alert, and they're going to launch it soon. Now let's go ahead and get inside the box. Bad packaging. क्या packaging है यार मनन? Manan is Cop Underdog by the way. Okay, so the first item. Oh wow, this is cool. I didn't expect this by the way. I thought there's just going to be things inside, but each of the things are wrapped in gift paper with ribbons and some really nice stickers. Should I start with this? Oh god, by the way there are a lot of things in the box. मेरे को लगा नहीं था इतना सारा होगा. Bro, इतना सामान है यार. By the way, sorry Manan Cop Underdog, the packaging that I was hammering before this, I take it back because I did not expect this awesome packaging inside the box, which is really cool, and I really feel like it's Christmas. So okay, let's go ahead and open the first one up. Should I remove everything out of the box पहले कि एक करके I'll open it? So this is the first one. This feels like a t-shirt obviously. Let me open this up. Wow, this is an experience. So guys, basically this is what happens when you buy a mystery box. You know, more than getting the things or your desired particular items inside, the best part about it is the whole unboxing experience and being surprised. Obviously if you don't want something from it, you could always sell some of the things and try to make back most of the money that you paid for the box, and in most cases you're always going to be profitable. Okay, this is tie and dye. Oh, this is the Travis Scott Cactus Jack tie and dye t-shirt. I think I did want this sometime back, but then I never happened to try it. So what I'll do now is I will not really mention it, but I will just show you on the side what each of these items cost on the Cop Underdog website, and then at the end of the video we'll compare how much the box was for and how much did the items inside the box total to. So this is a Cactus Jack tie and dye t-shirt. Yeah, I'm kind of neutral. I like it, but not that much also, so it's okay. Moving on to the next item. Now this feels like what, I don't know. What do you think this is? This could be. Oh yeah, it could be socks now. Obviously, how dumb. Alright, so these are Supreme socks. I already have this in white, but I do not have it in red. So this could be useful for the Christmas time as they are red in color, and yeah, that's about it. Again, you'll see the price on the side on the screen here. So let's put this away and move on to the next item. Some more stickers. Yeah, I think I'll open a shoe first now. Okay, बहुत सारा सामान हो गया. I think. Oh, by the way, there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 shoe boxes in this. Now this box costs 1 lakh, and if there are already 4 pairs of shoes, I think about 80k to 1 lakh value is right here in these 4 shoes, and all these extra things are probably going to be the profit that you could make from the box. Okay, let's just get done with this and then we'll come to the sneakers, alright? This is obviously another t-shirt, so let me open this up quickly. And this is, oh, this is an Essential t-shirt. Wow, fantastic. So Essentials t-shirt are currently the best t-shirts that you could buy for daily use. Oh, that's funny. I thought Essentials will be in the front, but it's in the back. Nevertheless, I love this shade of kind of pink. And what size is this? Oh, cool. That's my size. So this is great. I think I want to keep this one. I'm not sure about the other t-shirt, but this definitely I'm keeping. Guys, which shoes first? Like I know. One.
The biggest one.
Biggest box or smallest box?
Biggest.
No, let's do smallest box first. Okay, now this is really small. Chalo, let's open this up. This definitely seems to be a Jordan 1 low, maybe. I'm not sure. What do you think, guys? Okay, no, I think it's not a low. What the f is this? Air Force 1. Oh, I was thinking this is going to be in the biggest box. तो मैं सोचा बाद में खोलता हूँ और सबसे पहले वही निकला. So these are the Air Force 1 piece -1. Now why I am saying this is because I'll be honest, I knew that this one sneaker is definitely coming in this box, because while I was having a word with Cop Underdog, they by mistake revealed to me that the package is delayed because of one sneaker, which is this one. So I knew about these sneakers for sure, but I swear on God, I don't know about the rest of the sneakers, and I had no idea about these t-shirts and all. So yeah, I was trying to avoid this for that reason and open it in the end, but unfortunately they came in my hand first. So here they are. I don't know much about these sneakers, to be honest, and I have not really been a fan, but I definitely like the colorway, and I wanted a black and white sneaker coincidentally to do my outfit photo with the Chromas hoodie that I'm wearing, and as it goes with the whole hoodie, you know, monochromatic. Okay, let's move on to the next sneaker. Now should I open the biggest box?
Yeah.
मेरे को लगा था biggest box में वो है, पर वो नहीं था. Let's open the biggest box. Any guesses? What could this be? Jordan तो होगा ही obviously, और क्या होगा? If you don't put a Jordan in a mystery box, what's the whole point of the box? I just hope this is either of them is at least a mocha or a biohack, because I don't mind those sneakers, not that I'm dying without them, but I don't mind if I could get it as a package deal, and it turns out to be even more profitable. So why not? I could wear it, click a photo and sell it, you know? That's how it works. Okay, this is another Air Force 1, is it? Okay, no. This Air Presto mid. Okay, let's open this one up, and these are the Air Presto Mids acronym. Oh, now this is another fantastic collab. Obviously I did not buy them when they did release, but not that I did not want them, but it's just that I don't buy as many athletic sneakers, you know, the kind these are. Like, they're totally athletic and not exactly more focused towards the casual and lifestyle side, but nevertheless these are a fantastic sneaker. I really don't mind having these. So let me remove the other one. So let's put this aside. I'm not very sure if I'm going to rock these or I'm going to get rid of them because I'm not exactly a huge fan. Nevertheless, let's put that aside and get into the next box. Ooh. Okay, so this is Off-White Air Rubber Dunks, which you have already seen in my channel in the blue, university blue colorway. Now I hope this is not the same colorway. If this is the same colorway, then for sure I'm throwing this box back on Cop Underdog's face. Oh my god, this is horrible. This is probably the worst shoe to have released this year. Okay, I really don't have anything to say about it. This shoe looks like, I don't know what, it's got typhoid, it's got jaundice, it's got some sort of disease. Absolutely horrendous. So this is also another aspect of a mystery box. There might be times that you will get one or two items that you don't really like and you don't really want, but nevertheless they will always be of substantial value, so you could always sell them back and try to get as much money back that you already paid for the box, and you will not realize, but it will still turn out to be more profitable even if you sell a couple of things that you don't like from the box. So that's one of the pros of a mystery box, or cons. Pro hai ki con hai? This shoe is a con, but mystery box is a pro. Nevertheless, let's keep this aside. I don't even want to talk about these shoes anymore. Alright, moving on to the last box, and this is f***ing light. This is not shoes. There is no Jordans. Manan, I'm disappointed. I expected Mochas. I expected Biohack. I did not expect money to be made, which I am making anyways on this mystery box. But more than money, I wanted some good Jordans. But nevertheless, I think people would enjoy making money on the box. So yeah, that's also okay, I guess. How do I open this? Got it! Let's take a guess what this could be. Okay, I think this could be that Fortnite Travis Scott ka action figure. You know, StockX pe you've seen. So I think this could be that because of the size and the lightweight, or it could be some accessories. Oh my god, this is a Supreme box logo camp hat, which is decent but not my type. I don't buy these kind of caps, but they go for a crazy amount of money. Yeah, with the pocket on the side. Let's just keep this aside. What else do we got in the box? That's about it. Now, as you can see, the total value of all the items that we got in the box is roughly about 1,35,000 as per Cop Underdog's website, and the price of the box was 1 lakh rupees. So that's what basically happens in a mystery box, because if you lose the chance of selecting what you really want to buy, in place of that you also gain the chance of making more money, more value out of it, and that's what the principle is when it comes to mystery boxes. Now let me repeat myself for the last time. Cop Underdog are launching these mystery boxes in a limited number of quantities in the Christmas week. You can go and check out on their Instagram, give them a follow there and be updated. You can check on their website, it will be updated soon. So the boxes are going to be in the price range starting from 10,000 rupees and maybe upwards of a lakh, or I'm not really sure the kind of boxes they're doing. So do not forget to check that out. And talking about this very mystery box, for me was definitely the Peace -1 Air Force Ones and the Essential Tee and the Supreme socks. So basically 50% of the items is what I liked. Now what I'm going to do for the other 50% of the items is I'm going to sell it back in the market and probably try to make more than half, say about 60, 70, 80,000 rupees from that. And what I will end up with is a couple of items at absolute steal prices. And yeah, that's about it. So that's all from me for today. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Manan यार, Manan please यार, 1 लाख रुपए का मिस्ट्री बॉक्स से ऐसा पैक किया है यार। क्या यार, इंडियाज बिगेस्ट हाइप बीस्ट को ये सब क्या भेज रहा है यार? क्या है ब्रो? एक भी ऑर्डर नहीं होगा ना तो ये बॉक्स पैक करके मैं फेंक दूंगा कॉप अंडरडॉग के मुंह पे।